last snowfall in Eastern Kentucky, I'd say. I hope. About 8 inches. It didn't all make it to the ground. I'd say 4 would have killed the ground. Probably about all cut on the ground 4 inches. But these 8 on the car, I measured it. Let's see how we do. Uh-oh, can you move? That's how you gonna get to work. Let's go backward and see what we do. Always the front wheel drive won't go forward, they'll go backwards. Oh, you're a camera. I always remember that. If you can't go forward in front, I've seen my dad many times years ago back in the 90s. Pick me up out of the mountain, turn around and back up out of them. Yeah. You know that drive front wheel drive. These new front wheel drives don't know what a dime anyway. They don't know nothing like them on 90 miles. And this Toyota Corolla, it should go anywhere. You know, it wouldn't even take out wearing level ground after I backed it up there on blacktop. It ain't that slick. Well, it's slick. Deal with the snow, guys. Little ride along. Still putting it down up there. Oh, it'd been a good snow if it had been back in the winter, but we'd had 70-degree weather for the last. Ooh, icy. Sliding. Well, the problem, I didn't see no problem. This week. I'll quit that windshield wiper. We had 70-degree weather. Walked past last week, it was full of riding. I'm having a hard time getting the camera stuck. Let's get out of super drive. I don't want that darn traction control on if I can get it off. Turn traction control off. I want it to be able to spin. Traction control, just let it slip just here and there. You don't want traction control. Fire ain't on, the heat's on. It doesn't get warm in here. I raked about all the snow. I wanted to rake off the hood, and you still got a big pile on the hood. It's not a real pretty snow either. It's not in the trees or nothing, is it? I ain't worried. You don't worry about going up and down town hill. Yeah, I better get that on video, man. That could be a fun. Now, when you go over, you get a run. You can get right to the other side. I can go up it. Well, wait, this here solid ice under it. Try to get my camera set up where it set on its own. It did the other night. I don't know how it is now. Kind of sitting sideways, but it's going to straighten me up here. It's slick got through here. I don't think they've sawed it any. I've not seen them come through the saw or grade. It just didn't stick to the roads when it's been so warm. Oh, it's 70 degrees yesterday. 70 degrees yesterday. Look at it today. Got to go to work or wouldn't be out here. Alright, they've graded the state roads has been graded. I don't know if I don't see no salt. They might have, but I get above that snow right now. It's solid ice under there where it's fast. Well, places it is. Places it's slushy. No, they don't make these front wheel drive cars. They not go like the old front wheel drive car. It's snow. They've graded this through here. Town hill will be clear. It'll be like this. You don't have no trouble going up and down it. Well, I won't have no trouble going up and down. It's what, 8 o'clock in the morning? Maybe I'll turn the camera a little bit there. This ain't a pretty snow at all. Well, it's real windy too all night. It drifted up on the porch deep. It done it. 9 o'clock last night, it was in like 50 degrees. At 12 o'clock, it was pouring the snow. It's wild, it dropped quick. It's springtime snow squall, what it is. It dropped late on, sir. I'd say I'll go tail to tail if the wind hadn't blown, and if it just snowed, it probably laid on a foot if it hadn't melted. It melted for 2 hours It snowed hard you couldn't see it melt as soon as it hit the ground. Yeah. But no, I don't see none of it. This here's got all season tires on it. And I mean, as long as you keep it rolling, you're all right. Them old front wheel drives would go. 90 models, you remember them, they go in where you want to go as long as you wouldn't drag. These here, you can't go nowhere now. This little Toyota, little gnarly tires. You need a gnarly tire in snow. A lot of people disagree with that, but it's gnarly tire is better you'll go. We always run them, look like chicken track on 4-wheel drive, little gnarly. They look like a chicken track thread. They go in the mud or the snow. They wasn't a chicken track thread, they looked like a chicken track. Chicken track was too much off-road tire, more for a dune buggy or a 4-wheel drive off-road vehicle. I had good luck with them. They kind of look like a chicken track thread, or just a big square. Just the ones that had the big square knobs on them would go awful good in the snow. Then them Coopers I had on that old Ford, that Ford I had for this, and the good Ford. Them Cooper, what was them? Cooper? No, it wasn't Cooper. Liberties, I think, or something like that. Liberty. They might have been made by Cooper. I can't remember. It come from Walmart. Expensive tire. Now, all season. Now, they would dig in the snow, buddy. But in the mud, they wouldn't go nowhere. They go in the snow. When we went through the old green Ford, with that 411 gear ratio in it. I always turn my traction control off. I want the car to be able to spin. Getting up here on the main road out here will be fun. Let's see. We'll pause her up till we get out there and get the good shots on it. What should we do, Mama? Should we run for 90 or should we cut through the store parking lot?
No.
Run for 90?
Just go straight towards town.
No, I'm talking about right here. What if I get up there and spin out? I have to stop. Oh, yeah, we get out easy.
Yeah, we've already made it until Jones's store. We're on 90.
We ain't even spin wheel yet. It ain't that slick. It's slick, but it's not that slick.
Well, we got to go by F&H and Braden give us the money to get Boots some medicine.
Oh, yeah, we made it out.
The mites are coming back in his ear, boy. He's been going out in the woods.
Yeah, we're on 90 now. We're good.
Stuff it'll probably be going on 10.
It's 10 o'clock before the store opens, but right here, look at the snow blowing. So I thought I'd get this on camera. This hill right here. This hill's dangerous. This is where they have them 15, 20 car pileups when it snows.
Just want to make sure that we got out.
They think it's slicker than what it is, or deeper than what it is, probably.
Well, she said that they scraped their road earlier. And
the county did?
You could see the blacktop, but she said it's solid white again.
Yeah, but it ain't that slick. Yeah, but it's slick. Don't get me wrong. Turn that darn traction control off. Let's see here, guys. Turn that off. I don't like that traction control. I don't know. It might be all right going over hill, reckon. I don't know how it works out. We're not going uphill. I ain't know what truck coming up behind us, moving along pretty good. Let's see. Third gear. We could use second. I ain't got no lights on it. Ooh, sounds rough, don't it? Well, what makes this hill so bad? It's sitting on the Indian burial ground down there. Why did it cut the road around it when they dug into it? They just usually piled up down here on the bridge if it's real bad. Semis, they kind of got it the shade off of it now. Yeah, it's showing. I'm seeing blacktop now. They've got a lot of salt on it. Now we're back in a bad spot, guys. Kind of clear over one side. They've knocked this a little bit. The county's been out knocking. Where's our guy at? We know where our guy's at. He ain't got out of bed yet this Saturday morning. Our county grader ain't. Where's he at? He should be running. He probably can't even get out, claiming he can't get off the ridge out there. Which it would be bad out there. Yeah, you got a bad spot to come from. Attack rain over there. By the time he gets out there, it'll be clear down here. You don't have to worry about it. It's one that gets this side of the road to get it for him when he comes back up. Or he may have done come through last night when he was in bed. I don't know. I was asleep.
No, I'd have heard him.
I never did hear him come through either. If he did, he was just salting. But right here, where you usually pile them up at. We're running 30 mile an hour. And she is slick. How you want to try more seal? You want to go up Morse Hill today?
No.
There's something out there at Cedar Hill, Turkey Creek worse than Morse Hill. But Morse Hill bad going up from the town side over here. I mean, you better hang on to these britches and then you ain't much. There's really some big cahoonies go up on this side of Morse Hill where that's something to go. On the town side of Morse Hill. And we're getting heavy snow falling out when we're in town.
I know Mama said it was snowing so hard you couldn't even see.
It is here now, look. Alrighty. I think that's enough snow videos for this year. You can see Morse Hill over there. I don't know if you can see it over there or not, but you sure going up the town side of Morse Hill it'd be. Yeah. I'd try my truck at 4-wheel drive working really, really good in them tires I've got on it. But not no car like this, no. Everybody always run Morse Hill, they'd run the other side. Anyway, they've come up this side too. There's a couple places out there, Turkey Creek and Lower Turkey Creek too, it's really, really bad. Alrighty guys, we're gonna end it here. Get on down the road. Catch you on the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like these kind of videos, maybe this will be the last. No, I told one guy the other day, local, that on YouTube, that I thought the snow was over. I guess he seen this one coming and I didn't. It was so pretty outside. So I'll eat my words back either right or wrong. Alright guys, catch you on the next one.